Hi, Warren. What is the Global Changemaker series?
A month or so ago, 20 of us signed up for a program called the Global Changemakers series, partnered with Mind Valley, without even knowing or fully understanding what we were in for or whom we were to become because of the program and our training. We became leaders, change makers. We were led in unity with purpose and integrity to make a real difference locally and globally. It was so powerful.
Wow.
We were to create an initiative that would solve a problem locally and have the intention to grow globally and present a problem, create a solution, and launch it. Literally launch it and run with it.
Amazing.
The actual event on the 13th was to be similar to CNN Heroes meets Dragon's Den.
Did you all support each other in the program?
Well, yes, of course. And we all learned from each other, and we're definitely moved, touched, and inspired, honestly. I would actually like to take this moment to fully acknowledge and express my appreciation for all of you that were part of this program and you guys put in a tremendous amount of effort to create something out of nothing and really push yourselves to become a leader and change makers in both your personal lives and the lives of your communities around you. My respect and acknowledgement goes out to you. Mike, Alka, Michelle, Marvin, Annie, Krisha, Asio, Lucas, Tara, Diana, Brian, Sherry, Happy, Joa, Katya, Diana, Dana, Brian, Nadia, Kim, Katya, Priya, Mira. I love you all. I encourage you to check out their incredible initiatives on the Changemaker website, globalchangemakerseries.com. If you are on your phone and you want to contact them, click their faces and your email app should open up. But if you're on your computer and you don't use an email client, you have to right click on a PC on their face and select copy email address. Then you can copy it into your email.
So, what is your initiative, and how can we help with that?
My intention is to create a OHIP style foundation that will assist and provide financial support for complementary alternative medicine treatments to patients with chronic illnesses such as autoimmune conditions, Lyme disease, cancer, and other chronic illnesses. If someone is dealing with a severe chronic illness, it is nearly impossible for them to work and afford treatments that will allow the body to rejuvenate and at the very least can help to provide more cellular energy to a chronically fatigued individual. There is an epidemic of patients with chronic illnesses that are unable to contribute to society because of the severity of their condition. And they either do not know and or cannot afford ongoing proven effective alternative medicine treatments that can give them the opportunity to live a more fulfilling life.
Wow.
I believe this solution will eventually alleviate the stress aspect of the situation that people are dealing with and therefore provide more hope and opportunities for patients with chronic illnesses to contribute to society as they desire to.
Wow.
I'm building an army right now and I'm looking for help from my community. If you believe that you can contribute, support, guide in any way, simply engage with this post and I'll message you directly so that we can start the conversation about how you can help me provide a solution and a support system for patients that will really empower them and give them a reason worth living for.
Amazing.